we believe that relaxed mind learns best.
வணக்கம். நான் ராயல் பள்ளிகளினுடைய ஃபவுண்டர் சேர்மன் ராஜாராம் பேசுகிறேன். எங்களுடைய பள்ளி ஆரம்பிக்கப்பட்டு 40 ஆண்டுகள் இந்த ஆண்டு துவக்கப்பட்டுள்ளது. 40 ஆண்டுகளாக கடுமையான முயற்சி, உண்மையான உழைப்பு, இதன் விளைவாக இன்றைக்கு 1500 பிள்ளைகள் படிக்கக்கூடிய ஒரு பள்ளியை உருவாக்கி இருக்கிறோம். ராயல் வித்யாலயா சிபிஎஸ்சி ஸ்கூல், ராயல் பப்ளிக் மெட்ரிக் ஹையர் செகண்டரி ஸ்கூல் பெத்தானிபுரத்தில் இயங்கி வருகிறது.
I'm Kevin Kumar, so I'm the director of Royal Vidyalaya CBSE. It has been a 40 years school starting since 1986 and this branch is being for the past 20 years. The education and everything should be equal to everyone. We thought of giving all the extracurricular activities within the school in the same fees without collecting any extra fees. So the facilities that we have is that we have skating ground and also we have a cricket nets and also the cricket ground. We have a football court. We have 2 volleyball courts and 1 throwball court, and we have a coco court, handball court and everything. We have separate trainer for all these games. Apart from that, we have separate labs for everything. For physics, we have separate lab, chemistry lab. We have a science lab, we have a math lab and also a computer lab. Each lab assistant and also the teachers are being provided that. Our school is already NEP ready because those things were formulated in 2020. But we have these lab facilities and all these sports facilities in more than 5 acres of land and everything over the years. So we are already ready with the NEP policies. Extramarks provides those digital support for the teachers and also the students so that all the students will go with zero doubts at the end of the day.
I'm Sneha. I'm a mathematics teacher. When it comes to Extramarks, for the past 6 months I was using that, but it was very helpful to me and it acts as a support system to me. When I get inside the class, I'll switch on the board, I'll get on the Extramarks, and I'll get to the lesson plan they have mentioned and the activity they have given. Though if we are incorporating the activity in the class, it's very much useful for the kids and for me to engage the children and to have the environment good. And the concept of understanding, it's way better with the help of this Extramarks concept.
For me, quizzes are the best because learning the concept easily by using quizzes. In between the videos, it has quizzes which can grab our minds as well as make sure that we are clearly learning the concepts.
Students who are single parenting, the parent who are single, so their children will get a half free scholarship and the students while they are studying, if any accident or something happens to any of their parents, then they will be continued for the free scholarship. So since if one has been lost in the family, they should not feel burden of running the family. So it will affect the education of the students. So we are providing full free scholarship for the students who lost their parents in the middle.
If you give your kid to us, we just make them to educate and also we just make them to grow more physically and mentally, and also we just give equal importance to the education and also to the sports. This is the main thing we are giving. So our students have got all national awards in sports and also our students have got district marks in the education. So this is the key point we are giving. We are giving both in a balanced manner so that we can give a best proud citizen, very proud Royalians from our school.